I got snail mail. Okay, I guess it's not totally snail mail. It is still a box. It's still a package. But I do have a PR package here. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I received a PR package in from Lurella Cosmetics and I was like, yeah, let's open this up together. So we're gonna open it up because I don't know what's in it. Usually Lurella will send over some of their new products. That way we can try them out. We can do some swatches, see what they look like. So we're just gonna open everything today and we're gonna see what they sent us. Now, if you're not familiar with Lurella Cosmetics, this is an indie brand. They're actually based in California, I think in LA, and they have all sorts of beauty products. They have beauty tools and brushes, but then they also have eyeshadow palettes and I mean, there's just everything, you guys. I'm drawing a blank right now, but they have lipsticks and eyeliners and mascara. They just have everything in their lineup. And so they've been around for quite a while. They also have a monthly subscription box where they will send you products from their brand. And then every month you will get a brand new eyeshadow palette that they've just created. So they pop out eyeshadow palettes all the time. And I do look, every once in a while I look on there and I'm like, okay, I should try it again. Because I had their subscription box for a couple of years and I just got to the point that I had so many palettes and so many products. And now I've kind of let a lot of that go. And I was thinking the other day, you know what? I should try it again because there are new palettes out there that I've not tried yet. You know, it's an addiction, you guys. Like, I just can't stop. But anyways, this is a PR box that they sent over. Usually we have new items in here, but I will be posting links for all of these products down below if you want to check out their website. And then I also will have the links for these items. But additionally, I do have a coupon code for Lurella, so you can also save some money off of your order if you shop through my link and use my code. We have lots of lashes in here. So Lurella is known for their falsies. They have all different styles. I mean, this is literally going to be a sampling of what they have. But they also have a falsies subscription where every month they will send you a bunch of falsies. And I think there's two different kinds. One of them is like a fun and flirty collection and the other one is like drama or something. I can't remember exactly what it is, but they have lots of them available. From my understanding, I don't wear lashes, you guys. I never have. But everything that I've read about Lurella's lashes is that they are really good quality and that they last a long time, but they also will give you the desired look. So as you can tell, they have the really light wispy ones. They also have the really big drama ones as well. So whatever you're looking for, they have definitely got it. Oh, I do have a palette in here. And I haven't seen this one, you guys. So this is their iconic eyeshadow palette. It is all metallic. I'm gonna love this. I can already tell. I think this is gonna be awesome. So this is what it looks like. So this is one of their newest eyeshadow palettes. I am so excited that they sent this over. Let me go ahead and open it up, but we are definitely gonna be doing some swatches today and looking at this. So this is their new eyeshadow palette and it is called Iconic. It features all metallic shadows inside of it. It's definitely giving me, you know, even with the packaging, it's giving me all of that metallic vibe. So I think that's cool. Be iconic. Look at these. So there's no mirror inside of this, but I do love that it says be iconic on the front. Super cute. And then down below will be all of our metallic shadows. So I like the variety. We've got lots of different ones. This is not a palette that you would probably create a look from. My feeling is that I would use these to incorporate into other looks. So I would probably use a few other shadows from other palettes to give me the base, and then I would go back over top of these and just add that metallic right in. So that's how I would use this palette at least. You could obviously do it any way you wanted to, but these are really pretty shimmers, and in the light, they catch it really beautifully. So we'll do a few swatches today just to check them out. I'm kind of drawn to a couple of these. So first I want to look at this one. This one's called High Value. Oh yeah, it's thick. Really soft formula. This is what it will look like here. And it's kind of got that reddish orange color. It's almost like a copper feel. Now, because these are metallics, you could have some fallout. And that's just because of the way the formula is. You know what I mean? Like to really get that shimmer in there. If you do a glitter glue or an eyeshadow primer, you probably won't have fallout. The next one is called Steel Serenity. This is a really pretty silver color. Very cool tone, so I like that. I do think the pigment is beautiful. It does a great layer. Still vibrant as well. But you see what I mean? You could just add that over top of something. Let's look at Golden Glimmer. This is the yellow one. I guess it looks more like gold, but it's definitely a yellow gold. And we'll put that down. Ooh, that one's bright. I do think you could build these up. I'm only doing one swatch down, but you could go back in and reapply if you wanted it to be even bolder. The next one is Nickel Night. We're gonna go right in here. And honestly, I'm just picking the ones that I think look interesting, you guys. Oh, it's kind of like a gunmetal, like really dark. That's pretty. I like that one a lot. So that's beautiful. And that one has a little bit of a silver shimmer to it, but also, do you notice how well it buffs out on the edges? So they're definitely blendable. You can soften them as well, but they are vibrant. I've run out of fingers. Let's go down here and let's try Invested next. This one is more of that champagne color. Ooh, that's pretty. And then right next to it, we're gonna do Zinc. So this one is a bit more, well, it's definitely white. So you can kind of tell the difference. This is more of that champagne where it's got a little bit of that golden tone. The white one is definitely silver. It is a bright white shade. So we'll do that one first, and then second will be Zinc here. And you can kind of see the difference. So the first one, when we did that silver, it goes more gray. This gets a little bit brighter. It's like a white undertone. So they're very pretty, but they are a little bit different depending on the look you're going for. These shades are usually what I will do. Whenever I have an eyeshadow look that is getting a little dull in the center, I'll add something to brighten it up or to lift it just in the middle. You don't want to do the whole eyelid. You just do a little spot in the middle. And I'll usually do that with shimmers like this that are very soft, but still very bright. This is a really pretty eyeshadow palette. I will give them that. The only thing I'm gonna point out as a con is that it does leave behind all my fingerprints. So all the oils that are on my fingers are kind of smudging all over the palette. So, you know, that's the only thing I would say is if you wanna buy this palette, just know it's not going to be the easiest thing to keep clean, but I do think it's a gorgeous palette. So I'll have a link down below. That way you guys can check this one out. I'm not quite sure how much any of this retails for, but you'll be able to find it down there. Okay, moving on. The next thing that we have in here are Pink Heart patches. So these are basically zit stickers, and they're going to be in the shape of hearts. So then you can apply these on, and they are supposed to reduce the inflammation and get rid of those zits faster. They've also included their mascara in the box. So this is going to be a black mascara, and it's their Lurella Proof mascara. Now, I've actually tried this before. I had this in a PR box previously, or actually, I think when they first came out with it, they shared this with me and I used it. And I do feel like it does a great job, and the formula is very wearable. So this one does have a nice wand. You're gonna notice on here that it's got that kind of spiral effect. I found that it gave me lots of length, and so I could really get it to curl and kind of lift up those lashes. And it does a great coat as well. So I do like their mascara. It's not super expensive, which is another win. It is, oh, it is waterproof. I didn't think this was. Maybe this is the waterproof version, because I'm pretty sure the one that I tried before was not waterproof. That would explain why it's in the PR box. So apparently they have now a waterproof mascara. It looks the exact same as the other mascara, but I kind of get it now. It said Lurella Proof, so I'm guessing that's because this is the waterproof version. It takes me a minute sometimes, you guys. I had to think about it. What is this? So my next item, oh, is this like a loofah? Oh, it's a back scratcher. So this is the next item that we have in here. It's in this gorgeous pink, and you're gonna notice with this material that it is a little bit, I don't want to say scratchy, but it's textured. So it's supposed to help you to exfoliate. And then what they do is they've added these handles on to both ends. So you wrap this behind you and you can go back and forth with your back and actually exfoliate your skin, which is sometimes really difficult because we can't always reach our backs. So sometimes what you can do is get a brush and you can use, you know, like the stick and rub it back and forth. This is a little bit easier to do because it is going to be that wide panel. So it's really nice. I like that you get all of these little squares that have like these fibers. So you can kind of see them on here. They're not scratchy where it's gonna hurt you, but it is gonna break up any dry skin that you might have. This is nice, I will use this. And what I typically do is I just put my soap right on here. So if you have, let's say you've got like some of the acne going on that you wanna get rid of off of your back, you could put even the scrubs on this directly. I'm thinking of like from First Aid Beauty, their body scrubs where it will help to get rid of texture. Put that on there, get it wet, agitate it, and then rub this back and forth and you'd get twice as much power. And last up, it looks like I have a couple of lip liners in here. So they're gonna be the same formula, but they are in different shades. So here's the 2 shades included in my box. They do have these in multiple shades on their website. So if you're interested in this product, you can pick your shade online. So I'm gonna do the first one, which is Malt. And this one is the lighter brown of the 2. And then this is what the packaging will look like here. The size on this is 1.1 grams. And then this will just be your lip liner here. So it's a really soft formula that they have. I have used these again before, but they were in different shades. What I like about these is that they are soft and they're blendable. So you can blend them in with either the lippies that they have online already, or you could do it with your own existing lippies as well. So I do like how easy it is to move them. I do think once you put like your lip product over top of it, you can definitely secure it in place, but it's easy to work with. The other shade that they've included in here is Bohemian, and this one is a little bit darker of a brown shade. So this will be a little bit deeper, but it will be the same formula as the previous one. So it's still gonna be really soft, really creamy. Let me do a quick swatch here so that way you guys can see it. You can do any sort of line work you wanna do. I'm obviously doing a full swatch just so you can see what the shade looks like. But obviously when you're doing your lips, you're not gonna just sit there and just draw that on. But it's very soft. And then like I said, you can go in and smudge it out if you need to and get rid of some of those lines. So it's easy to blend that in. That one actually doesn't come up as dark as I thought it was going to. Let me see this other one. They look way darker in the packaging. I guess it's a good thing we're doing a swatch here real quick. This one is supposed to be the lighter of the 2. I do feel like it is lighter, but it also has a kind of like an orangey tone underneath of it, if that makes sense. You notice that? But again, you can blur that out. You can make that a little bit softer as well. Let me kind of blend that. So see what I mean? They're just a little bit different for your shades. But wow, I'm surprised that this Malt, it comes up a little bit more orangey than what I was expecting. But Bohemian is a beautiful soft brown shade. This one I really like. I think this would look really good on too. Well, that is everything inside of my Lurella PR kit. Thank you so much to Lurella for sending this over for starters. That way we all get to check it out and see what it's like. The palette, I really like that. Like I said, it's not your palette where you're gonna create specific looks from it, but you would use that to incorporate with other looks. And for me, I'm like, there's so many different shades in there to go with a lot of different looks. I think there's a lot of potential with it because you could layer them on and get some really pretty shimmers. So that was gorgeous. I actually really like this back scrubber too. And I love that it's pink. It's just nice and girly. And I have the waterproof mascara, so now I can try that one out. I already liked their original formula, so I think I'm gonna like the waterproof as well. But I am super grateful that they sent that over. If you guys would like to shop any of the products that I've shown you today, I will have that link down below. And then like I said, I do have a discount code with them, so you can save some money off of your entire purchase order. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!